I'm bleeding. That's not good. Good morning, everybody. Wednesday morning. So what we got going on today is I'm gonna be a little all over the place. Right now I'm gonna go check out a pump chamber that we've installed. The customer had a high water alarm go off, so I'm gonna go see why that happened. Hope you enjoy it. Let's have some fun. It's gonna be a good day.
Let's have some fun.
Okay guys, so what we have here is the water is up too high. And that's when your top float raises and buzzes an alarm in the house. So that high water alarm, there's a problem. And the problem is there's water in the bottom of my junction box, and I think it's fried my electrical connections. So these risers have been problematic coming up. Like you've seen videos where we put black seal along the bottom of the risers. We seal the electrical inlets and stuff, but still somehow groundwater, rainwater is getting into the junction box and completely frying all the connections. What I've done now is I've plugged the pump directly in. As you can see, it's firing up. So my problem isn't with, keep it plugged in there, Jim. My problem isn't with the pump or the floats or anything. The problem is that that plug that's down in there has been damaged by water and is currently unsafe. This is why you septic manufacturing companies want to gasket your risers and gasket your lids. We need to get that fixed. So I just picked up a coffee for Taylor. Let's go back to the yard because I gotta get some parts to fix this thing. Let's bring him a coffee and see what he's up to. Oh, is he in there? Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
I hope one of those coffees are for me.
This one's for you. It's special blend. I spilled it.
The camera's on, or else I'd splash this over you like I did
I
last
spilt
time.
it all over my truck already.
Well,
I spent 10
you're
minutes.
welcome to come in.
Oh, am I?
All right, you have 30 seconds starting now.
What are you watching? What are you watching?
I'm watching Brandon from Elite Earth.
Shout out Brandon.
I told him he's in today's video and I said, hey man, Cory said he loves you.
Yeah, I do. I have romance with Brandon. It's
Invoicing.
the beard.
Invoicing WCI. Greg, pay me!
All right, so I'm just gonna go into the local hardware store here. I gotta pick up some things. I need zip ties, maybe some hose clamps, and some rubber gloves. So, be right back. Okay, got my stuff. Got some paperwork. Let's get back out there. How's it going, Coach?
Oh, she's going.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
Getting the backfill done here.
Oh, yeah. First one ever.
This is what Cody's doing, guys. He's just backfilling his house. He's got this native material that's real nice, sandy. Can go right up against the foundation. And he's getting that all backfilled. This is the house that we did a video on, the excavation. Got it all poured and the waterproofing on. So he's working on this. Like I said, we got Kenny at another job. So things are going, moving, everything's happening all at once. Big push this time of year, so we'll get her done. First thing we want to do is get some gloves on. Okay, everybody, so I got things buttoned up here. I got the float replaced. The old float's here. I got some new gasket seal. I bulked that up around that riser. We've cleaned out and I put a drain hole in the bottom of that. So for now, we can run it off an extension cord here. So the pump turns on and off and helps keep everything in operation until an electrician can come out and replace this box. And like I said, all the right people have been talked to about the products and kind of the issues that have been coming up. You never stop learning. So things will be remedied, and when you run into problems, you find a way to overcome. It's the way.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm
Let's go see him.
alright, like a
What you doing, Cody? You're on the hand shovel, buddy. Oh, rakes are in the Duramax. I don't have them. So we're gonna backfill this garage. Can I get Steph to haul sand here right now? So things are looking good, guys. Look at Cody's got her pretty good here. Window drain. We all know that. From whoever follows me on Instagram knows how to install those. Awesome. So I will make that call. I'll get Dave here. You're okay? Working? Call Dave.
Calling Dave White.
Steph can start hauling sand here. Yeah. Yeah, he's got the garage all filled. He's just working his way around the back side of the garage now. The whole house side is all full. We're gonna give him one sand. It's a good day. It's a good day.
We interrupt this message to ensure that you are fully subscribed to the channel that you're watching right now.
Are you plugging again?
Yeah. You need a ladder for?
When you're not this tall,
Yeah, you just want me to lift you?
I gotta just to reach door handles and stuff on doors. All right, guys. So I was swung by the storage here to talk to the guys, and we found Alan. Say hi, Alan.
How's it going?
So I'm bringing Alan with me to help with this clothesline because apparently it's a two-man job. So we're gonna go get that done. So we'll see you there.
We could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade.
All right, everyone. So we did a video on installing a $7,000 liter tank. The one where I dealt with a little bit of stress, you know. So we finished up the septic here. This is what she turned out like. Shaped her all up, tanks and stuff up there. Cleaned all this up. This is all new area for him. Shaped up pretty good. You see the topsoil. Not packed, super light, fluffy, even with a little bit of rain that was on it. So there you go. These pipes got pulled. They were used for my final inspection. So the inspectors pull them out when they're done. So that must have gotten done. So we got a hole here right down to our bed. Kick them in with a little bit of topsoil here. Give them a pat. Boom. So this one's all done. Clothesline's backed up. Customers are happy. On to the next one. So, that's what caught my door to my head. Just made it here to site where Cody's working. I'm gonna park next door. So we dug this house as well. Oh, that one's gonna be ready for backfill soon. I got the Steph here with some sand fill on for the garage. They don't know I'm here, so let's see what they're doing. Cody had to get some lunch. Late lunch, Cody? Oh, we got right there. Good, down. Whoa, down. How do you run this thing?
Listen to the squeak. Can't find that. Greased everything.
Stuck in the stormy weather. Signs told us how we could reach the other side. And you start to doubt. I don't blame you, 'cause I feel the same. 'Cause a man can only hold on for so long. And we should be proud. All that we can do is hope for miracles or just let it go. But honey, we have to be together here in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, stuck in the stormy weather?
I'm not tall enough. Oh guys, it's just been giving her all day, you know. I've been shoveling, I've been raking, I've been hauling chains in my back. I wish I had a young lad around to do that kind of stuff, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. 41 years old here in 10 days, and I'm starting to feel the burn, you know, just the burn of life. You know, I've been on this road, this hard road ever since back in '86 when my mom and my pop, they flew out from the old country. You know, they came across to Canada to try to start a new life. And ever since then, I've just been working like, you basically call me a mule, you know. I've been towing the plow around the fields on my back all year. Oh, you know, it's just starting to wear on you, but you gotta keep going. You know, if you don't keep going, you might as well just be dead. So, oh, you working? Oh! Alright everybody, so I gotta go. Cody's got one more load coming for the day. He's gonna cast it in that back corner, get everything quick pack and hit this up again in the morning. So I'm gonna head back to the yard, help Al load a tank, and then I got some family stuff to do after work, so we're gonna head there and do that. Fuck, I f***ing lost it, Taylor. It's f***ing gone. A little bit of an interesting day. Had some different stuff. Fixed a float in a pump chamber. Rehung up a clothesline. Had a completed job. Checked on Cody a couple times. Started backfilling the garage, running the packer. Did a lot of driving. So, it was a good day. Hope you enjoyed coming with me. I enjoyed having you. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. No. I didn't forget about you guys. We didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watched the entire video, which is now. And if you are one of those patriots that watched the entire video, comment down below, road tripping. Because today, I was road tripping, put some kilometers on the old work truck, burned a little bit of gas, got some stuff done, was all over the place. So comment down below, road tripping. Don't forget to subscribe. Throw the video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. You say the camera adds 10 pounds. I have self-image issues. I feel like I'm fat already. Fucking. What the fuck? What the fuck is the red light blinking for? Is that thing? Oh, how do you delete? Oh, how do you delete this? What happened?